Let's now consider our smartphone example over here. So we want to see how exactly the code can be accumulated using an extends keyword, right? So let's say, again, we got this hierarchy here. Let's now consider smartphone, iPhone 13 Pro, and also Galaxy S21. So now let's see how their expectation will actually vary. Apparently, smartphone is the common parents or common ancestor for it. That's more precise way to say that. Usually, when we say parents, we mean the immediately the class that's immediately above that particular class in the hierarchy. If there's more than one level, you would say ancestor. Okay, so smartphone is a common ancestor. Smartphone is a common ancestor. Common ancestor for iPhone 13 Pro and also Galaxy S21, right? And let's now try to work out the expectation for each one of them. And let's now go in this particular order. What will be the expectation for let's now go for a Galaxy S21. Let's go for this class first. Who will be Galaxy S21's ancestor? It's going to be itself, its parents, its grandparents, its grand-grandparents, right? You just go all the way up to the root of the hierarchy, right? That's what we said before. So if you want to figure out the ancestor, so I would say just go this way over here. That's what you got to do. Okay. So let's now write it down. It's going to be itself, so Galaxy S21, and also Samsung, and also Android, and also smartphone. Okay, I'm just writing that in the shorter form, so hopefully that's okay for you. Okay, so that's about the ancestor. So what about let's now just do class by class. Okay. What about the ancestor for iPhone 13 Pro, right? It's going to be basically itself, iOS, and also smartphone, right? So that's how you actually do that. So let's now do this. You will trace all the way up to the root of the hierarchy. So for iPhone 13 Pro, it's going to be itself, iPhone 13 Pro, and also iOS, and also smartphone. And I want to make an observation right away. You can see, if you compare the ancestor for these two classes, right? Do they share any ancestors? They do. Only smartphone, right? Along the way to the root of the hierarchy, they don't share any ancestor except the very top one, right? That's actually possible, okay? On the other hand, if you got Huawei and also Samsung, for example, do they share ancestor? They do. In this case, they will share Android and also smartphone, right? Just different different examples for you to consider. So now you can, let me just highlight it. You can see smartphone and smartphone, right? That's a common ancestor. We'll put it in this way. The top of the hierarchy always is the common ancestor for any two classes you can choose from the hierarchy. Okay, the final one. Let's say we talk about smartphone. What would be its ancestor? None or at least one? Well, it should be at least one, right? Itself should be the ancestor of itself. So we should at least put the smartphone itself over here. You can see that'll be smartphone. So you can see all the three classes, at least, they have the smartphone being the common ancestor. Okay, and now let's talk about expectation. The expectation is cumulative. If we talk about expectation for Galaxy S21, it's going to accumulate all the expectation from its ancestor, right? It's going to be Dial, Surf Web, Skype, SiteSync, right? You can just do the visual examination and then you will see. So for expectation, let me now write it down. So it's going to be, you can either go from top down, or you can go for bottom up. Either way to actually figure out the expectation. Let me go bottom up over here, right? So Galaxy S21, it does not declare any new methods or attributes. So we go up here. That will be SiteSync, and then Skype, and then Surf Web and Dial. Let's write it down. So it's going to be SiteSync, and then Skype, and then Surf Web, and then Dial. Let's do a similar exercise. What about the expectation for iPhone 13 Pro? Let's again go for bottom up. So we got quick take, FaceTime, surf web, and dial. Okay, let's now write it down. So it's going to be quick take, and then FaceTime. Okay, that should be lowercase. And then surf web. And we can do some observation very soon. What are the common expectations for between these two classes? Between these two classes, their common expectation are exactly the expectation of their common ancestor, right? Which are surf web and also dial, right? You can see these two, surf web and dial. Surf web and dial, these are the common expectations between these two classes, and these two are exactly the expectation for their common ancestor, which is smartphone, right? It's an important observation to actually walk through in precisely. All right, and then what about the expectation for, let's say here, the smartphone? Well, that one is easy, simply dial and also surf web, right? So it's going to be surf web and also dial. So now in this case, you can see there's a common one, right? Surf web and dial. Finally, let's now take a look at the descendants to for completeness. How do we work out the descendants? Let's say in the case of Galaxy S21, well, you can see in this particular example, there is nothing underneath in the hierarchy, underneath it. So that'll be just itself. So that'll be Galaxy S21. So that's going to be, let me use a different color here. Descendants is going to be Galaxy S21. And by the way, the reason that I'm trying to work out the ancestors before expectation and then descendants, there's a reason for that. Because once you know about the ancestors, you will be able to figure out the expectations. For you to figure out the expectation for a particular class, you don't need to know about their descendants. So that's a very important thing. Okay. So descendants, they not impacting expectation for that particular class. On the other hand, the ancestor over here determining expectation. All right. Let's see what are the descendants for iPhone 13 Pro. Well, in this case, also there's no classes underneath, right? So that would be that means only itself. So that'll be iPhone 13 Pro. All right. Finally, what would be the descendants for smartphone? Given that smartphone is on the top of the hierarchy, right? It will, by definition, its descendants will be itself and also everything underneath. So that'll be every class. Okay, so to save the writing, I'll just say every class, including itself. Okay, just remember it includes smartphone as well. Okay, so that's about the detailed walkthrough for the solution to this exercise over here. I will encourage you to really change the classes over here that you want to focus on and work out the ancestors, expectation, and also descendants accordingly. That'll be some valuable exercise for you to gain the intuition. Okay, so that's about it. I think we're also running out of time for this week. I will stop here, and then next week we're going to continue to talk about the so-called substitution rules for polymorphic assignments.